This is a 2002 Chevrolet Cavalier. Features include a rear window defroster, a CD player, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, tinted glass, composite halogen headlights, an anti-lock braking system, rear seat child-proof door locks, and folding rear seats. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Goodwill's Credit has 2 locations to better serve you. We are located at 1019 Lawrence Avenue in Elwood City and at 15406 State Road 170 in East Liverpool. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.